up? Okay, so today, I don't know if you can tell, but I have more hair on my eyebrows than I do on my head. So yes, I've grown out my eyebrows for the past probably month, and I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can really see, but I don't have any product on my eyebrows right now at all. It's all natural, and we are gonna be using NAIR. We're gonna be using NAIR hair removal cream on our eyebrows today.
Bitch what? Bitch what?
And if I don't have to pluck my eyebrows anymore, I'll be happy. If I lose some of my eyebrows, I will be very unhappy. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that I have you guys nice and zoomed in, I hope you can really see the hairs that are growing from here to here and right under here. Like, there are plenty. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little angled brush like this and I'm gonna start applying it. So wish me luck, you guys. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out at all. I obviously didn't bother to put on eyeshadow because I'm sure it's just gonna get wiped off when I wipe all this product off. So yeah, can we get a hot little before?
So while I'm doing this, I figured it'd be a good time to explain why this idea even sparked into my brain in the first place. So basically, when we were on the cruise last month, I thought, hey, it would be a better idea to bring Nair than to have to shave my legs on a cruise in the little tiny bathroom. So I bought this Nair and I was putting it on my legs, and I thought to myself, I'm like, self, are there any videos on YouTube of people pranking somebody by putting Nair on their eyebrows? And I'm so sick, you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sick. That's not even funny. Nobody deserves to lose their eyebrows, okay? But I was like, yes, self, let's find out. So I go on YouTube and I'm like, Nair on eyebrows. Yeah, not funny. Anyways, so I look it up and I noticed that it's nothing but actual videos of people using Nair to groom their eyebrows. The one that I saw mainly was from Queenie Rosenblatt, so I watched her video, shout out to her, and it turned out beautifully, and I'm like, damn girl, like I gotta try this. So that's just my little story about the time I covered my body with Nair, and it ended up being a good video idea. So let's go ahead and get back on to the video.
Okay guys, so I have it all applied and I made a freaking mess. I'm hoping it's gonna look bomb when it's done, because if I messed up, then I really messed up. So I guess we'll just have to let it sit. We're supposed to let it sit for about 5 minutes. So I'll see you guys in 5 minutes and we'll see if I have eyebrows. This is the part that freaks me out, because it looks like they just like and just do anything. All I'm about to do is expose myself for how much foundation I have on right now, to be honest. But I just have like a little wet rag or like damp rag, and we're just going to rub this all off and see if the hair comes off. Okay. I'm like so scared shitless of getting this in my brows, but apparently it just wipes right off. Definitely missed some hairs, which is annoying, because my thought is if I wanted to pluck my eyebrows, I would have plucked them. So here's a little close-up. As you can see, they look clean as shit. That's what you can see. They look extremely clean, like if they've been threaded or if they've been waxed. And I don't thread or wax my brows, I just tweeze them. The top alone looks so much cleaner. The bottom could use some work. I think I'd prefer to actually tweeze the bottom because I think it's a lot easier. But the top, you know, it's hard to get that clean line. So I love that. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and reapply my foundation and then fill in a little bit of brow, and we'll see how they look all done. there you have it. Upon further inspection and a few snaps later, I am absolutely feeling myself. Yeah, these brows look poppin'. I would definitely do this again. Like I said, this does a way better job of cleaning up the top than it does the bottom, so I feel like it's worth it just for the top of your brows. It is so freaking clean. Like, those little hairs are gone. They're nowhere to be found. They're lost. They're gone forever. Yeah, you guys, I think this is a pro tip, okay? I love this. I'm so glad I stumbled upon this, I swear. So I'm not saying for everybody to just go and do this and like rub Nair all over your face, and also make sure you get the facial one. I can even tell a difference in like the feel of it and the smell of it, because I feel like the other one's a lot more harsh and it smells a lot stronger. This one smells more like baby lotion. So definitely get the face version. And yeah, just be very careful. If you lose an eyebrow, do not come back and blame me, please. Glad this turned out good, because I didn't really know which direction this was going. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you tried this before, let me know. And if you're going to try it, let me know. And if you do try it, let me know. Just let me know. Just comment down below, okay? And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.